So in this video I'm gonna talk about the answer to task 3. So the question is, generate the following signals and classify them as periodic or aperiodic. State reasons why. So first I'm gonna simulate one by one and answer one by one. So for the first question, from the Scilab simulation, you could probably guess that this signal is an aperiodic signal because there are no trend or repetition whatsoever. But I would like to prove this by using equation. So the fundamental properties of periodic signal is that xt has to be equal to xt plus the period, and we take xt equal to 3 exponential power of negative 3t, and we find the period and then we equate it to see if it's true that xt plus period equal to xt. You can pause the video to see the working, but the final answer is xt plus period does not equal to xt, thus the equation is not periodic. On to the next question. As you can see, while this signal looked a bit complicated, when you stare at it, it actually loops back into its original position. You can observe the trend where there's a period of time, and we can prove it with equation like always. But I won't be talking about the cos and sine function because we know that sinusoidal function is always periodic. So I'm going to talk about this function 3 exponential power of j pi over 2t. So this j here is an imaginary component. So like usual, you can pause the video to see the working, but in the end we get xt plus period equal to xt, thus it is periodic. So on to the last question. Although you look at this graph and it looks like a periodic signal, you can see the repetition, and you may wonder it have a period, but when you look at t equals to 0, the graph looks nothing like the repetition. It has a different trend here. So my answer would be aperiodic, and I'm going to try to explain using equation. So the working is pretty simple. You have xt equals to 4 exponential to the power of negative 2t. You find the period. You can pause the video if you like, but in the last result you can see xt plus period does not equal to xt, thus it is not periodic. So that's all for this video. I hope that answers the question. Thank you for watching.